Hi DIY lovers! Her Weekend Crafts is here again with another super exciting DIY video on how to make hooped tassel earrings using silk thread. You can use any color you want. I have used yellow and maroon combination which looks pretty attractive. So let's begin. Take two different colors of silk thread rolls and start wrapping over a cardboard which should be of about 7 to 8 inches wide. Wrap the first color for about 150 rounds and continue with the second color along for about 50 to 60 wraps. Then using any of the silk thread roll, make a string out of it of multiple threads hold it together. Now slide this string all the way through the threads wrapped over the cardboard and tie a knot tightly. Turn over the cardboard and cut all the threads at once wrapped over it. Keeping the knot at the center of the bunch of threads together, start wrapping the thread tight enough, starting half an inch before the knot to half an inch after the knot. And somewhat it should start taking the form of an U. Then, holding both the sides together, wrap them tightly as shown. Put some Fevicol to keep the threads in place. Next, we have to put the seed beads in a thread and make a length of about 15 seed beads in a row. You can use any color of the beads. I am using golden and white transparent here to contrast with my earrings. Before fixing the beads thread, cut the tassel to your desired length so that the seed beads length do not go beyond the tassel's length. To make the tassel even more charming, you can add embellishments too. Then, fix the seed beads thread to the tassel. And following the same process, fix another seed bead thread to the tassel which should be slightly shorter than the previous one. This is just to get the look. Take a jump ring and put it inside the hoop of the tassel. And then slide in the earring clasp into the jump ring. So here we are ready with a pair of hooped tassel earrings, which I must tell you are feather weighted and are very easy to carry. Make one for your matching dress and flaunt. Thanks for watching.